Hey friends, if your Windows Defender Windows security is not working on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. Now in the Windows search bar, type here settings, best match settings, click on that. Then here in the settings window in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Then here you have to search for security. Now click on the system components and you'll find Windows security right here, this one. You have to click on these three dots. Click on advanced options. Now background component permissions, make sure this is not never but choose always or power optimized. Scroll down and you'll find repair. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on repair. And once you click on repair, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. And if repairing the Windows security didn't work for you, then you have to go back to the same Windows security settings window and then click on reset and then reset once again. Now, once you have reset the Windows security, close this window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Next method is in the command prompt. Type here cmd, best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here type this command sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. And then hit enter. Now this process will take some time, so we just need to wait for this verification process to be completed. Now once done, type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Now we have here the second command, so open the CMD again. On the right pane, click on run as administrator, then type this command dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and hit enter. Now this process will also take some time. So once this process has been completed, then you just need to type exit again and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.